Today we talk about an issue that is shaking the political space again, the revitalized peace agreement and the new appointment of General James Kwangchorale as Deputy Minister of Defense. Welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. To understand what is going on, we must first remember what the revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan is. What was it all about? This peace deal was signed in 2018 by President Mayardit and Dr. Riek Machar together with other political groups. The aim of the agreement was to end the civil war, rebuild unity, and restore peace and hope among the peace of South Sudan. Most importantly, the peace deal stated that no one party or leader should overpower another. It was clearly written that all the signatory parties, SPLA in government, SPLA-IO, SWA, and others, should have equal power sharing in leadership and decision making. That means Dr. Riek Machar and President Mayardit were supposed to work together as equal partners, leading the country side by side, not one above the other. This was the foundation of truth, the foundation of trust that kept the agreement standing. But now, the trust is being questioned. A recent President Mayardit appointed the appointment of General James Kwangchorale as the Deputy Minister of Defense. This appointment accused SPLA to accuse Kiir Mayardit of violating the 2018 peace agreement. It caused a strong reaction from the SPLA under Dr. Riek Machar. The SPLA said this position belonged to them under the peace deal. They argue that the unilateral decision made by President Salva Kiir violate the 2018 revitalized peace agreement. According to the SPLA under Dr. Machar, this appointment was done without consultation and it disrespects the equal power sharing principle that both Dr. Machar and Kiir Mayardit agree on. SPLA officials and supporters have condemned the move, calling it another example of how the peace deal is being broken piece by piece. SPLA leaders say this is not the first time such things have happened. They point back to 2016 when similar violation of earlier peace agreement led to the collapse of trust and renewed fighting in Juba. Now they fear history might repeat itself. They accuse President Salva Kiir Mayardit of ignoring the signed document and acting outside the agreement. They remind everyone that the peace deal is not optional. It is a binding agreement signed before the region and the international community. Under the reconstituted, the revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan, every party is supposed to manage specific ministries and no party should replace or remove officials that belong to another party share. But by appointing General Kwangchorale without consulting SPLA, the government side according to SPLA, violated the very heart of the 2018 peace deal. Some people may ask, why is this single appointment such a big issue? The reason is simple. It touched the root of power sharing and trust. The peace deal was built on a promise that no one party will dominate and decision will be made jointly. If that promise is broken, then the whole agreement become weak. SPLA say if such violation continue, the country may slip back into tension and all the progress made since 2018 will be lost. They also warn that peace cannot exist if one side keep acting alone. In their statement, SPLA leader call on regional bodies and international partners like IGAD, Intergovernmental Authority in Development, and the African Union to intervene and remind President Salva Kiir mayardit government to respect what was signed. Meanwhile, some government supporters argue that the president has the power under the constitution to appoint or make change in the cabinet. They say such appointments are part of normal leadership and administration. However, critics and SPLA members disagree. They say the peace deal is above normal politics. It is a special arrangement meant to keep the country from falling back into war. They insist that President Salva Kiir should respect the equal partnership between him and Dr. Riek Machar as agreed in 2018. Ignoring that balance, they say is not only disrespectful to Machar, but also a betrayal to the people of South Sudan who still believe in peace. On social media and in communities, South Sudanese are speaking loudly. Many are angry and disappointed. SPLA supporters say Kiir move it show bad faith and a lack of respect for the deal. They accuse the government of trying to weaken SPLA slowly by taking their position one by one. But some citizens tired of politics say both sides should stop fighting for power and instead focus on delivering service like road, school and hospital to the people. It's still the common question and everyone must remain. Is the peace agreement still being upheld or is it already being violated beyond repair? If the equal power sharing rule continue to be ignored, it could delay the peace roadmap. Things like the unification of forces, the writing of the new constitution, and preparation for the 2025 election. Observers say this latest appointment show that the trust between Kiir and Machar is fading again. That is dangerous for the future of South Sudan because when trust disappears, peace disappears too. Let's remember this, peace is not just about silence. It is about justice, equality, and respect. The 2018 peace deal promised that no one should overpower another, that all parties would share leadership equally and the decision would be made together. But with move like this appointment, that promise seemed to be breaking apart. The SPLA and its supporters have condemned the action, calling it a clear violation of the revitalized peace agreement, the same mistake that once destroyed the 2016 peace agreement. So the big question remains, is the peace agreement still being respected or is it dying quietly under political interest? Let us know your thought in the comment section. Man tuwag gane take warga machagor kuma SPLA jo me chikana gor katada na sha kwang shora le chaja kwa ingaje la kuer deputy chairman chikan ga ki chikana loka kan kono nyam goro no jen be subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko Blatter TV kan shamala shubke jemete mi chibarech channel me me channel je linkel en wale bana right ka tada nan tisiata take je ki political la rodere we ka South Sudan en siasa na mo che reply peace agreement je yar ko cha rami jidi chaja kwany ala General James Kang Shorale la Deputy Minister of Defense ki ko desh kamera de manguru de shal kame sholnang kan wote konte cha yat pinyala kuma SPLA kan wa tekan ka lwang alki en gwaja kam Kang Shorale wa gwadin chikan mishir na me chikan lokalong chikalar no ne me yer malka me cha tan karon kin dangre wel badak Antame ne diara wika South Sudan ti karodian and go nene mal ngudatin ki mal che jiaga nono ki mal chaje yarneten content takalwang shit ke Kiir mayardit ti dialti banakaling men yam gwasme ko bu kono mukula ngachen wo ngu maga kuma SPLA yo keje kuma SPLA yo mi dong team yana kanete time ka mal actual ke revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan tai kap ke korshonga je kan do badande ja de magwa de jenong ka jen malamone and revitalized peace agreement mal mi cha time kam Dr. Machar ken Kiir mayardit la peace deal me ke mal cha ta nya tanje karon kin dang rol badak president Salva Kiir mayardit charo da yaj Dr. Machar charo da yaj no biga let kel no ka buga let ka bontin ko ken ko bukan South Sudan bukan nong mal an agreement yen ke mare chikane yat penyo bikan civil war ke kor to kam jana kan no agreement chi South Sudan che dak ba dil kap chon ko bikan mal bikan nong akane bika let ka ku mat ka bikan mal bikan nyok muku kana restore ke nong kana nyok re wich ka bikan South Sudan ke liu ne dial kontre wika South Sudan la jinubin bikan loidin bikan jako bala koch anyok ka buga shen kamal ko ba South Sudan ba nyok malat ke je ka ba ko dial de konde chalat ba ne dial ba loiken ba jako bikan palping ki loiken biga te ajen do be dane cha mal mo cha taing ke je are mal kana money agreement wo ba civil war ba je tukala tok ba te mi din ma cha Allah tenen gwade dang men goro baling ne dial me chi kana ladan gwada dana shamal cha ta tin chi garoi ka kwi o de luang de japar ki power sharing chi rada dien chiram do dien che de mo ke bongre ba de ka let kel ki de ka jal kel jena agreement dana chi kana ta nyina me ji kana ta chu ram mo chu ro de yach ka ke chi SPLA government cho de yach chi SPLA mayo cho de yach chi swa party cho de yach amen bontin ko kente to gwa malka anone dial bikati ke equal power sharing ka leadership ka decision making ba do badana yat men yan ka South Sudan ka jam kon mal chi time ku mes pele mayo ko ada time ga je bon men bon shal ka swa kana pantin ko ken yen to be dan sigan maten no badi dil te ko ka power sharing admission me nyu the jeno Dr. Machar kana president Salva Kiir mayardit de ka di let kel kane di ala koken atin konte ci ko mal ci kana tan kaja dundo tama ci Kiir mayardit ce wacce jarwa jala jen karwade ka mal da na cha tan yo de kan let kwini ken dia de partner me der let ka de partner me der let lo de kan power sharing de kan jen kwal chola power sharing ci o de ram kel de let karwade ci men tama Kiir mayardit leron ci ndana gorge woni di al de let gwat kel that was the main peace agreement e dana chatain duno Kiir mayardit cha foundation mission me cha jelok la tarka me dane tain kamal ka job na bug let kel antame chira ga jen foundation ko jen ko dana ko mal ko an ten me kari ma char kan no ko mal ben ka kan Kiir mayardit kan no ko mal ben cha 2018 peace agreement cha dem no ma dong cha dem tain ba so ma meten na mo man non ga gene men gorke warga meni men look kum Kiir men look kum SPLA woja president Salva Kiir mayardit che general James Kong shora le che kwanya la deputy minister of defense en kwenya cha kwanya me che reaction mu di che no kum SPLA yo deputy chairman ki deputy defense minister chi dun kum Kiir mayardit ko Kiir mayardit take a chief of defense kwere rawde e dun Dr. Machar dun kum SPLA yo shirmera ni kon ngajen o chaja kama Simon Gadu duel ka kum SPLA yo faction ala kit gwang faction lo der wene bat chabekan atama jem kul ne no Kiir mayardit chala do jaram danan ku peace agreement ku je bridge ke jaram dan longmal 2018 peace agreement e dana chatan ko me chatan chawde na take power sharing angu me kama kwang shora le kama je deputy minister ga jama kajen chi gwade no ka kwang shora le pa jen ka governor anyok bot governor dana titin bo shi dundien e dunku SPLA yo alo ajen reaction dana cha to kuma SPLA wona mo chilo den jega mandan latke Kiir mayardit jan lat makan latke ne wona ne ala equal power sharing ka principle te konte latke cha ka violate Kiir Kiir mayardit cha ka violate te diala ya tanya dr machar kan dial Kiir mayardit cha ka violate kin dial SPLA official kana support ken chikan mission me chikana condemn chikana lok kana me a year malka chala she peace agreement cha jia ke chamal cha jia ka jen mo kwain ke kwang shora le yene alla ramadan la kwar ki deputy chairman ka minister of defense ka chi gwade gwa kuma SPLA yu cha lungno de ja kwan de mo guardian but guardian cha la tin chi gwade SPLA ma yo chikala do na jen shi jan chang nam ano Kiir mayardit ba mission na ba jalat ke 2016 sha similar violation cha jalat me chi mal chi yar ke 2016 me be korbat work kam kuma SPLA yo kana kuma Kiir mayardit no shu Kiir mayardit yo dakar machar shu je watch gwade da ne chi gnyen me chereng machar che je joyrare watch cho tabande ngai chu e kwan ala by president ka gwanga ka gwa dakar machar go bone a violation of 2016 agreement ke 2015 agreement ne da so to reality wachi en changanem Kiir mayardit magur jeno bu korbe ben la nuar den la kwanya no bela gwada mo ko bo ko nyen kan waran koken ajan do badana le de je en position mo dun kuma SPLA yo chi dun kuma marwa ke Kiir mayardit jen me jagna ma ko be je galong na ma jagna ko ba ngajeno ala en mala chi optional mal e ma sano ba je dilat munokran ba mal ba jenong but Kiir cha joje no chamal che jenno ko che revitalize agreement reply peace agreement dane ata e yarelo no ko me look at other party members tenderle ladon wena mo look ke we kwai ne ti ko kenti laneke nyud jenwo she peace agreement she je breach and Kiir point Mishe kuma SPLA yo tindipin Dr. Riek Machar she kulo dare la woba kane tin kokien tin teke part ni te kokien chit ke kuma swa ki kuma din kokien United People Alliance ne kene diala to dare ke dil dare ka moy ka gwa dare ka moy ka kwamni duno she ken la to mishe ne me taye da ne shamal cha tain ke je ka revitalize peace agreement chala no every party ki ene bon take chuan ko ba je moch kokom ke ministers ana ala tele and no party should be replaced or removed for official that belong to another party ala partner me che pardodian tene kien shega de woi re kware kien chitka men chala denu en kom la kom dung kuma SPLA yo chala lani dak chala lani general kwang shora leitin namo wachi chuang a violation chukuma SPLA yo chikan jo me chikan latino ne tungwan taken no ne angu mi kuma SPLA yo mi dierken ke kwam deputy minister ke jamo angu melat kono gwasame o men kuma SPLA yo men lare jeno chicken reject an appointment of general kwang shorale o ne me again it touch the root of power sharing and trust la power sharing jene kwa 2010 peace agreement kwa la sign ke je mija jojen gwan won wala shajele lo Kiir mayardit dare jojen o chikume shele je ana mo nyod jeno sha agreement dan shalo wude me Kiir mayardit jen mi beje je lonko bo woj ba nyoko moloje rega kana mo chaje gor misha agreement mission me misha je bridge ke chaje yar chikume SPLA mayo shika David de kana de laro na me violation dun 2018 peace agreement kasha gore ken ba no de kuma dara lawere kure nyok mishit kameda na shitwok gore jen o de mal dar titin ko Kiir mayardit ko peace agreement ko je respect no mesha time kana dakar masha der la mogwa dunon tame ci peace agreement mo shela collab ke che jek chikala no mitamal tetin and kwang shora le de ja deal with ka komde ka de rada dien mita ka kuma SPLA yo de ja kwan bad medicine jene alakir me yadi lat ke jeno jene take a lwanko be officially tente ka part to goal be ka wo ka power dan te je kani cha dakre ma cha jadi jogono jin wo karandu jene ki take all the power ka take chuonko da ram mo mi cheguje no shigwa ka chi fit ko kom der je deal with duno kuma SPLA yo lat ken wona ne man official ken agreement ne dan e cha ta mi ram link ngai ngwa da ngajin wa agreement mo cha ya ta no to power sharing tetin ka chi part do dien che bi interfere ka part me do dien ano de rada dien de lo wo ka bu gware bi mo ka rada dien kan kana nok wana money peace agreement violation of peace agreement Asia time ke 2018 peace agreement chikan lado ne mugor ka jeno bi malbe ben gore jeno bi kirme yadit be peace agreement be respect do no cha jojan wala no cha tel mutual ke agreement mutin ko cha tun wo kanetin konti la jukuma SPLA yo gwen kendial ka jom chalat gwas me ne diare we ka South Sudan lat kenen wona ne SPLA mayo kan SSPD abde lene kan ko de kan power sharing de kan lat ka de kan reply peace agreement de kan zil respect ko de ka let kel de shar kan ko de shar de ka lat de dul gor de ka lat de dul wal de ka lat de ne diare we ka South Sudan de jago bloidin betet ko dong bi balana kori ke bi ka loine kori bi kan ka loitin ko jo gore jano de we dar ta kamal minyo jeno chi power sharing ame chaje yar ke chi mal che je nyo jeno South Sudan ba nyoko slide back into civil war ke bu korbu garodian nyokom let karodian na me chanok ku kuyemo kang shora le gwa chalatin chi gwaden gwa kume SPLA ayo pin Dr. Yang Machar bana je murdien biatemal